Good evening, everyone. My name is John Allandrie N, and I'm also from the section of BSME. So, if you're wondering why I did this kind of project, this game is PC Building Simulator number 1. I did this for educational purposes only. So, ever, I hope that you will learn something in this video. So, let's patiently waiting for the loading. The other components of this step-by-step of building a PC is what I have in this yellow bag. So what I'm about to tell you is the step-by-step assembly of the computer. So number 1 is open the case. Number 2 is install the power supply. Number 3 is attach the components to the motherboard. Number 4 is install the motherboard. Number 5 install the internal device. 6 is connect all internal cables. 7 internal motherboard power connections. Next is 8 connect external cables to the computer. And lastly, most important is number 9, boot the computer for the first time. So in order for you to know if the result is good or the PC is running. So we're gonna remove the case part of the side panel, and then the case part what we have right now is the Ryzen PAEAN. I don't know how to pronounce that, but that's the spell. So we're gonna unscrew the nuts of the side panel, which is the case parts. So we're gonna remove these components and then rotate. So all good, and then we're gonna unscrew the remove the case part of the power supply. So that's it. So we're about to install the first one, which is the power supply, which is the heart of the PC unit. So we're gonna install the power supply here at the bottom. Then screw the nuts of the power supply. So all done. And then next is number 2, which is the install the motherboard. Let's install the motherboard. Let's install the motherboard of, let's pick, which is ASRock B450M Steel Legend. So we're about to attach the motherboard here. And then still screw and installing the motherboard by using the screwdriver and then screw the nuts. Just patiently wait because my laptop is not the point of a high-end model of laptop. It's just a average model, so it might go lag in this video. So what I'm about to do next is the attachment of the CPU or processor. Fun fact is the meaning of the CPU is Central Processing Unit. So let's pick some CPU. So let's pick the AMD Ryzen 5 quad-core 1400. Let's open the CPU handle. Then let's install the CPU or processor. Then close the handle. Here's the handle. Then let's apply a tool which is named thermal paste to cool down the central processing unit. And then let's install next, which is the memory, which is also known called as RAM. So RAMs are important so that your PC unit will run smoothly even though if you're gaming or you're making some content creating. So let's input some here, then 3 RAM left. Then let's install another one. Then lastly, another one. And then I'm about to show you is how about we install the storage. So let's install the storage here in the drive bay. So let's pick this ADATA XPG Spectrex S40G RGB M.2 2 terabyte. So let's input the memory, which is the storage. Then all that we have left is the storage. So my mouse is not a fast responding mouse because this is just a normal kind of wireless mouse. So all done, it is attached. So let's remove this. Oh no. Let's install the memory here. It's all attached. Then let's screw it up. Then it's all done. But let's double check if it is all done. So yeah, it is. Can't fit A data XPG Spectrix, which is it is all set up. So the CPU or processors is done, the motherboard is done, and also the memory is done. But all what we have left is the CPU cooling, the graphics card, and also the case fans. The storage is also done. So let's jump to the CPU cooling. Let's put the Arctic Freezer 33TR Red, which is an air cooler for the central processing unit. So let's zoom out to catch. So the air cooler has been installed. And then next is the boards, graphics cards, case fans. Okay, so what I'm about to show you is to install this graphics card, which is the specific of graphics card of what our practical activity said. So which is the AMD RX6900XT, 6900 XT. So let's put the graphics card here at the bottom part. Let's screw the graphics card, and then let's install another. Oh no, so it can't install because it won't fit anymore. So let's just install custom water cooling, some water cooled GPU. So let's install an install let's install a water cooled GPU, the Corsair Radeon. So hold on. The name of the GPU cooling is Corsair Radeon RX6900 XT Corsair Hydro. Oh no, it's Corsair Hydro Series XG7 RGB. So all done. So let's jump to the parts. All here is done. The CPU cooling is done. Then the graphics card is done. So let's go to the storage if there is an attachment of this. We're installing the Seagate Barracuda 500GB 32 MB cache. So yes, I'm rotating the camera right now, and then as you can see, that's where the part that I installed the HDD. Yes, the HDD. So let's install another one. Oh, let's install that side. Then another one. Then it's all set up. So all what we have left is just this is done, this is done, this is done, this is done, this is done. So all we have left is the case fan. So let's attach some case fans over here. Then put some. Let's see if there is a case fan that it will fit. So there is no case fan that can fit in the CPU unit. I mean PC unit. So we're scrolling all the way down here, all the way to the bottom, and then so what we all have left is the let's install The case fans are done, the cables are done. The cables is totally not necessary to build the PC. Then the power supplies, then the graphics card. So it's all done. So let's jump to the custom water cooling, which is the radiators. Let's attach some radiators later on. First, let's attach some custom water cooling reservoir. So let's attach here. Um, let's attach a reservoir here. Corsair XD5 RGB combo. A color black water custom water cooling reservoir. So it's successfully installed. Then the radiators here is done. Oh no, all what we have left is let's install the AlphaCool Nexus ST360. Install the radiators here. So as you can see, I'm building the I'm building the so it's successfully installed. So let's jump to the CPU blocks. So I'm about to attach the AlphaCool East block XPX block to the oh let's remove the air cooler. Then let's replace it into a CPU block, which is the AlphaCool East block XPX block. Then let's screw it up. Then until it's done. So let's jump to the number no, I mean the connectors. So let's put some black flexible pipe. So let's put it here. Let's put it here. Then here, put it here, 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 put it here. Then here, also put it here. So it's all done. So right now what I'm about to do is attach the attach the attach the case parts. So let's jump to the parts. So let's let's build the side panel instead of case parts. Then let's rotate it to the back and then install the side panel. We're screwing it in and then putting it here. So if ever you can't hear my voice while speaking, um, kindly increase your volume and then just turn on the closed captions in the YouTube video. So let's let's attach the power supply. Let's install the case part. So it's been done, and then let's try to let's try first to put some USB flash drives. I took it back what I've said earlier. We need some cables to attach. So this is the ribbons. So this is the cables that I'm going about to attach right now. So in order to make the PC running, so I'm attaching this into our PC, putting it in here. Let's attach all the radiators and the cables. So I'm doing this as fast as I can because we're about to submit this by tomorrow. Then the deadline is so short, so what all we have to do is complete the setup, then submit it. So let's put it in here. Then there. So all we have left is the USB drive. So the cables are all attached, but what all we have to do is right now is just attach some USB drive to install. So it's all set up. So it's all done. Then let's put some. Let's put back the side panel. And screw it again. So it's all done. So let's try to swap the peripherals of our desired dream PC. So what I'm about to pick right now is the Asus ROG Swift, the PG27UQ, which is the lighting is RGB. So it is successfully swapped, and then let's swap the Asus ROG Claymore, which is the lighting RGB. Then let's swap the mouse peripheral. So the Asus ROG Gladius 2 core. Oh no, let's replace it to let's replace it to let's replace it back to Asus ROG Spatha. The lighting is RGB, and then the peripherals of the mousepad is I'm about to pick the Asus ROG Baltius QI. So it's all set. So what I'm about to do right now is to turn on the PC if it finally works. So this is it. So yeah, it is fully functioning, and it is PC monitor where you can see the screen of what you want to do, like playing games or either content creating or doing your data analysis such as the Microsoft. Then this is your keyboard, and then this is the mouse, and then this is also the mouse. As you can see, it is also all plugged in the extension. So let's see. So as you can see, it is all running. The the thing is all running. The part is all running, and also it is successfully installed. So thank you for watching, and then I hope you learned something in this video. So that's all. Thank you.